All right, so this is the GoPro Hero Black 13, and I got it here on Amazon. And a lot of people have trouble opening this. All right, so I wanted to show you guys how you get this thing open. First of all, the side that has the 13 on it, that's not the side that opens. You got to go to this side. You're going to see there's a little lip there, and this is how you get this charging door or battery door or your micro SD card. It's all in here, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to stick your thumbnail in there and then hold it, put one finger here like this, and then you're going to push with your thumb and it's going to pop like that. You see that? Let me show you again. I'm going to close it like that, right? Now it's closed. Thumb here, right? Push, it pops open, and bam, Bob's your uncle. And there's your battery right here. There's your charging port, and there's your micro SD card. And that's it. That's how you do it, man. Bam, Bob is your uncle. These are great cameras. They shoot amazing video, and you can get them a really good deal on Amazon. I can't recommend them enough. My only criticism of it is it gets really hot if it's out in the sun, and it's heavy. But besides that, man, it rocks.